Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Agile Exploration Hub. I am your host, Nagesh Deshpande. We are bringing a new episode today. In this episode, we are going to talk with a volunteer of a growing community in India. The community name is Indian Circle of Agile and AI, known as ICaAI. We are going to talk about the community, how it's exploring how Agile and artificial intelligence can shape the future of work responsibly. To speak with us, we have Sudhanshu, who is a proud volunteer, certified agile coach, and working as agile professional in Pune. So, without wasting much time, let's welcome Sudhanshu. Hey, hi Sudhanshu.
Hi Nagesh, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing great.
Great. So, recently, it has been launched one of the India's growing community as ICAI, and the purpose of community we all know to come together, share the knowledge, share your experience, help professionals to grow in all areas, not just in a in a professional way, as well as their mindset growth and their reach to various topics. To discuss on this one, let's continue this discussion and let's start Q&A. Okay, Sudhanshu.
Yes, why not?
So
So first
Sudhanshu,
of
just
all,
yeah, just
go ahead.
introduce yourself to the audience.
First of all, thanks Nagesh for giving me opportunity to talk and utilize your platform to talk about Ikai. So hi all, I am Sudhanshu Ravlani. I have been working in voice, which is called Vodafone Intelligence Solution, more than 13 years. Overall, 20 plus years of experience in the overall industry. Since more than 6 and 7 years, I have been working with Agile, Scrum, Kanban, working with lot of you can say safe as well. So in terms of agility, Scrum, and all those things. And I'm very happy to talk about upcoming rampant AI topics as well at the same time. So
Nice. Yeah. So AI, everyone is talking about AI, and we must talk
yes,
about AI because it's there already. AI is already there. It's not a future thing anymore. But now let's discuss about Ikai more. You know. So what was the inspiration? How did Ikai formed up?
that's a very interesting question and interesting journey from our side. First thing first, Ikai is, if you will see the nomenclature, it's
Yeah.
the Indian Circle of Agile and AI. So our purpose is to club these two topics together, Agile and AI. At
Interesting.
the same time, when we are talking about how this is creation, so our main intention is that the name is Circle. Circle is 360-degree where you can learn with each other, you can expose each other, you are sitting together, there is no front, there is no end. And in circle, the main intent is that you can come, join, and give talk about anything and everything which is relevant. Come together, talk together, present together, learn together. It's kind of like everything which we would like to go for. But the main thing is that there is no ending, there is no starting. Keep growing, keep learning.
Right. Yeah. So that's the purpose of the community. Keep come together, keep learning, keep growing. Well
Yes.
said, Sudhanshu. Very well said. Now, uh, we have been to many agile conferences and all that, and now that AI is like really growing up, you know,
Yes.
so why
Yes.
bring agile and AI together under one circle?
Another interesting question. Agile, when we are talking about the other one side, we are talking about agility, and AI is, you can say, fast pace, human
Right.
evolution over the period of time. So AI without agility become chaotic. That's what is my opinion at the
Yes,
same
yes,
time. And agility without AI become outdated. Because if you
yes.
don't know what is happening into the market at this point of time, AI is lot of tools are coming up, a lot of patterns are coming up, LLM, there are so many things. So with the help of Agile, we are having a mindset like inspect and adapt. So our
Right.
purpose is that do some kind of innovation learning, do some kind of experiment, inspect it, adapt it. And when I'm saying adopt, what you're trying to adopt, there are new pattern, there is a new market, there is a new AI is coming up. So please try to come together and bridge this gap together so that we are getting advantage, agility as well as AI both.
Right. We have to adapt to what exactly happening in market right now. If we don't adopt, we will stay behind in every area. Now, many people see agile AI are two separate things. They are actually, but
Right, right.
how they complement each other.
So if you will see that right now, if I want to learn AI, what is happening? It's very difficult to understand what is happening into the market.
Right.
Google Gemini, ChatGPT, China's is also talking about there are so many models and all. It's very difficult to understand from where do we start. A lot of
Right.
noise is happening from an AI perspective. So it's overwhelmed. At the same time, Agile, if you will see that we have been keep on doing it. We have got the mindset. We have got a lot of learning. So how will you utilize this learning with the help of your earlier experience? So what we are trying to do that whatever you have learned in terms of agility, in terms of agile since long so many years, try to adopt the same way of culture or the learning in the AI field. Go small. You don't need to jump
Right.
on it. You don't need to pick up each and every tool and try to learn it. Try to understand the fundamental, try to understand the basic, and then go for one tool or one product or whatever you like it basically. Also, you need to understand where you are heading towards. So in this way, go small, go slow, go steady, so that slowly you will get the right direction, you will get a learning, and eventually you can go in the right direction as well at the same time.
Right. Yeah. Start small. Right.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
That you
absolutely.
call you can say that's a punchline.
Punchline. Absolutely. Okay. And can you share a few challenges that normal people are facing right now in these transitions, like AI plus agile?
Right now, every industry is running. If you remember, if I will go 20 years ago,
Hmm.
so when I'm hearing agile, everybody is running agile. Okay, go for agile, you will get the KPI, you will get the result. It's not like that. Agile is not a silver bullet. The same thing is happening with AI. Everybody is running behind the AI. But do we know that where we are heading? What is our goal? What we are looking for? What kind
Right.
of goals we are trying to achieve with the AI? Right now, if you will see in the market, even with the AI, there are a lot of projects are getting failed. They thought something, they will get something, and eventually they are getting something else. So, in nutshell, I just want to say, don't run behind it. Pause it, take a deep breath, think about it where you're heading towards in the same direction, and with the help of agility, whatever learning you have already captured, utilize that one.
Right.
And in
Yeah.
terms of if you will say challenge, this itself become a challenge. AI is not a, you can say for AI you need a lot of money as well. You need a lot of
Right.
investment as well. And this is long term journey. This is not a very small goal. So you need to think carefully and then go for it. That's what I can say.
Absolutely. Yeah, I observed many people, many organization, many teams are using AI just for automation. There are already automation tools available to automate your day-to-day work.
Yes,
So
yes.
you need to think beyond automation. There are multiple things you can try and do with AI,
Right.
and people are not exploring. So that's why the community like ICaAI will help you, to think
Agree.
beyond what the standard practices or standard work that we are trying to do. Okay. So stay connected, get connected with ICaAI. You will get a lot of new, ways of using AI in your agile practices. Now, again, what makes ICaAI a different for this agile
With
profession.
other communities.
Yeah, with
Right.
or other professional communities. Yes.
Mhm. Yes. First thing I have already started from circle. There is no end. There is no learning end.
Right.
Come join us, grow together, learn together. In terms of differentiation, the first differentiation I would like to highlight, this is volunteer based. So
Mm.
nobody is pushing you, nobody is pulling you. Okay, come and join us. What we are saying that whatever you like it, go for it. And
Right.
if at this point of time I am a volunteer, so I am volunteer by my self interest, because I would like to do something for myself, for my community, for my country as well at the same time.
Right.
So that's the way typically our goal or motto is. Our intention is very simple: come together, learn together, and think from yourself for others as well at the same time. So when and on the top of, when you are coming as a volunteer, it's your choice. You are giving responsibility, accountability to yourself. You want to do something. This is half battle win, I would say.
Okay. Now, I want to also hear some stories. You know, what kind of experience or conversations we can expect, or we already happening in ICAI right now.
In Ikai, what we have already started circle learning. You can say
Okay.
circle learning or peer-based learning. So let's assume that if you are the part of Ikai, so there is a peer-based learning, and if you are the part of that member, so if Nagesh, you would like to teach or talk, or you want to give some kind of demo, you want to give some presentation, so every month we are having a circle learning or peer-based
Nice.
learning.
Nice.
The another one is we have a monthly, you can say global speaker are coming up, monthly webinar. So there are two category, monthly circle learning and monthly webinar as well at the same time, where
Right.
we are calling out the global speakers, Indian speakers. They are coming, they are sharing their thoughts, papers, demos, whatever they like it. There is no restriction over here. So these are the
Nice.
two topmost category which I would like to highlight. At the same time, we are planning to start our signature program basically, which is called my arc, ARC.
Nice.
And
Okay.
I want to keep it height, and I would welcome to everybody join, and let's try to understand what is all about it.
Okay, that's a surprise then. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so to my audience, if you want to know more about ARC, follow the community. And what I can expect from the global speakers and all that, there will be more diverse topic on AI and Agile. So let's get connected and learn more from Ikai. And then uh, again, uh, also want to understand how this community is making sure the communication or the culture of this community is still human centered and ethical.
uh, that's another interesting question. When we are talking about ethical, let's talk about how the AI is getting evolved right now.
Right.
Everybody is talking about AI.
Mhm.
Utilize this one. Go for ChatGPT, go for Gemini, go for ABC tool, whatever you like it. India is running in the same pace. They are also wanted to build their own AI model and all. However, at the same time, what is the next step? Are we going in the right direction? Are we
Mhm.
following the right practice? Whatever we are doing, or I am trying to do that, is this ethical based on the certain principle? If I will talk about Agile, we started with 12 principle. So there is
Right.
certain kind of guideline or some kind of framework was there in terms of. However, AI perspective, it's bombarding everywhere,
Right.
and nobody knows where should we stop. If I am creating a music or if I am creating a image, is this ethical to utilize as a license copy? Are we aware of it? There are so many fundamental things behind the scene which is missing at this point of time. So what we are trying to do that utilize effectively, not a problem. Learn effectively. However, please ensure that it should not create a problem for others, for
Agree.
society. You should
Absolutely.
understand the repercussion, you should understand the impact of whatever you are doing with the help of great tool called AI.
Absolutely. Yeah. So use AI or any tools responsibly. You know. So the point here is if you are using AI for your um, any work.
Right.
And I'm giving an example of content creation for an example. So if you're using AI for content creation, it should not sound a little robotic. It should be humanized. So always understand it's the conversation that you're having, the content that you are creating is human friendly. It should associate it to human. It should not sound like it's created by AI or robots. So that's what Ikai also going to do. They are all communications are human centric. People are going to go communicate with you, not AI going to communicate with you.
And that's the reason I said when you are becoming a volunteer, because you are telling yourself.
Right.
So you will join it. There is a circle where you want to, hey, I would like to give this session.
Right.
Can I go ahead? Yes, why not? That's your forum. Go for it. Create your brand, create your
Right.
community in the way.
Nice. Yeah, that's good. Then, how can being part of ICAI, someone will, it will help someone in their career journey.
So I think we talked about it, couple of things. Monthly circle learning,
Mm.
definitely, because you are getting a platform to talk about yourself, to talk about it, whatever you have learned, whatever you achieved so far. That's a platform availability. Monthly webinar, as we talked about it, you are getting learning from third parties and so many various stakeholder, various speakers, renowned speakers. You will get a good learning eventually. At the same time, there is a signature program where what we are going to talk about it. My arc, this is about learn together, grow together, and this is reflection, commitment for yourself, not for us. Give commitment, give reflection, give adaptation to yourself with the help of, there should be some structured conversation. What is happening
Absolutely.
when we are going somewhere and when we are talking about, sometime we are talking about AI, sometime we are talking about Agile, sometime we are talking about DevOps. It's very difficult to understand the structured content at the same time. So the purpose is that within there is a certain boundary within circle, talk specifically in the one particular direction with certain goals keeping in your mind, so that I'm sure maybe not now, over the period of time, study progress, study learning, you will definitely achieve for that.
Great, great, great opportunity, guys. So don't miss this opportunity. That's what I wanted to understand from you. How can a person
Hmm.
anywhere from anywhere can connect
Yep.
with Kai? Are the website available? Details, please share
Yes.
with us.
So we have a website, ikaiionline.org,
Right,
entire, and apart from that, we have a LinkedIn page also available where we are posting all the information, all the posts, whatever the information we are creating. Apart from that, we know that now mobile and WhatsApp is always friendly in terms of, we have a WhatsApp group also available where anybody can join. This is invitation based, so there is a URL available, just go and join it. And we are doing a lot of, like, some kind of conversation as well at the,
right,
we have also started some kind of, you can call it curious Friday as well. So we are asking certain questions, learning together, drawing together. So a couple of things are available over there. So
right.
these are the
So,
three channels which you can join from
yes,
that sense. Okay.
all the details will be provided into the description box, guys. Okay, Sudhanshu, one last message for all the listeners.
Yes. So I would like to tell everybody who is would like to grow for yourself, come, please join. This is circle. There is no end. There is no start. So come. Learning is always continuous journey. You cannot tell me, okay, I have learned enough. I don't need any further learning. So
Right,
learning is the journey. If you want to go live this journey, please join us. Second, this is volunteer based. So this is your wish. This is your commitment to yourself, not me, not Ikai, to yourself. If you want to grow, please come and join. That's what I can say.
great. Okay, Sudhanshu, that's all we have to discuss today. From entire audience of Agile Exploration Hub, I would like to say thank you. Thank you for being such a wonderful speaker today.
Thanks a lot. Thanks to you, Nagesh. Thanks for giving me opportunity, giving Ikai as an opportunity. Thanks a lot. And it was nice talking with you.
Same here. Okay, guys, see you
Bye
in the
bye.
next episode. Bye bye.
Take care.